मेरा मत लेना हो भाई सब।
क्या पार्सल है?
पीने का।
बहुत बड़ा डरावना लुक लेते। ना ना फोटो न तो तुला सॉफ्ट पहने यार रेकॉर्डिंग करे तो इसमें यहाँ से छठी हो हाँ गरम देख के ही रुका।
गरम देता रहता ठंडी थी
नहीं गर्म ही देते, ठंडी नहीं देते।
अच्छा
Good evening, guys. It's a Tuesday evening, and today, for a change, we have come in the old city of Ahmedabad, and we are here in the Advance Gully. We have come opposite Advance, and we have come to a place which is very near to my heart. And normally we have sweets after having our food, but this is the time when we have entered the sweet shops, and we have come to Khavda Sweets, which is opposite Advance. Okay, and so let me introduce first Oman. Oman is a well-known chef, and
Good evening.
he started his own restaurant also, and we also have Imtiaz Bhai, who is the owner of the shop. We are ready to cater to our sweet tooths, and this is something that I'm going to love, I'm sure. I see a lot of beautiful sweets out here, and we are ready to taste it.
I have been visiting this place. We discovered it by accident once while biking through the city. We came here. Imtiaz Bhai was very benevolent to allow us to taste the sweets. Now me and my family love it. We enjoy the sweets. And tell you, the sweets are a good fusion. So there is the old traditional ones that they do. And then there are some really good varieties wherein they use a lot of white chocolate to decorate the sweet, and the taste and flavors are immensely nice. There obviously, Indian sweets have got two bases. One is the dry fruit base, and the other is the milk base, the mawa base.
Mawa base, yeah.
The one thing I can recommend, and which I really loved about India's mawa base sweets, are the sugar content in the thing is really light. So you really flavor the quite essential milk product in there instead of the very sugary, rich kind of sweet.
Okay.
So that is nice. It gives a very flavorsome profile to the whole thing. I think it's a place to visit if you have a sweet tooth, if you love Indian sweets, and especially kind of things he makes. It's unique. So it's a place to be, and it's amazing. You should try them. I would recommend to start with the Gulab Pak.
Okay.
Which is their signature thing, and it is brilliant. It's got lovely rose flavors, petals. It's called Shahi Gulab, not Gulab Pak.
Okay, so now comes the best part, which I would love to have, and we'll start tasting the sweets. So पहले कौन से करे चलो आप बताइए।
पहले हमारा यानी ये सिग्नेचर आइटम ये आप टेस्ट कीजिए। शाही गुलाब।
ओके।
हाँ।
इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें।
ये यानी रोज से बना हुआ है सर पूरा।
ओके।
हाँ।
So let us taste this. Oman, now I think you love this sweet, right?
Yes, this
and
is the
you
one.
have been recommending this sweet.
Exactly, right? Exactly. So this is made out of not rose essence but rose petals.
Okay.
And plenty of nuts in there.
Okay.
So it's like almost eating a rose cake.
Okay.
The texture, the consistency is amazing.
Wow, it looks pretty amazing.
You see the nut value in there. You see,
Yeah,
it's got plenty of dry fruits.
see that. Yeah.
If you love anything rosy on your palate, this is something which will take you to heaven.
Okay.
And
I can't wait to have this. Let me
Enjoy
try
that.
this. Absolutely rosy flavor in my mouth.
brilliant, isn't it?
It's absolutely great.
And you can kind of see the rose petals on top.
Yeah.
See, so it's genuinely not essence, but
Actual organic rose.
Original rose petals.
Oh, organic rose. Yeah.
Dried rose petals.
It's giving a very good flavor. Very good flavor.
Thank you, sir.
And the flavors of the roasted nuts in there.
Would you like to have?
Oh yeah, I was wondering when you're going to offer me that. Brilliant, brilliant. This is heaven. Any time for this. Any time for this. And the best thing is I've been coming here and eating this, and the consistency in the thing is the same thing. And the thing is, they're not using artificial colors or
Yeah, absolutely.
anything,
I think that is the most important part.
because depending
Yeah.
on the rose. So if you come today and they've got a darker rose petal,
Okay.
then the sweet will look darker.
Okay.
And if they have a pink rose that they have been able to source, then it's on the lighter side. So depending on the rose, they are able to collect between
Oh, okay.
red and pink.
Okay. So, Oman, the next dish, the next sweet, I should say, that we are going to taste is the Mesuk Pak. Now, this is I think they have 3 varieties. This is the besan one, this is the
Kaju
base, and third is the pista base. That one. So, here we have the besan and the kaju. So, let us taste this. After you.
Alright, I'll take a bite. So the beauty of Mesuk Pak, everybody knows it's
Mesuk Pak is slightly hard, right? I mean, the normal. It's soft and slightly crunchy.
It's got a brittle finish in the mouth. It almost melts in the mouth. The intense flavor of ghee you can feel. The sweetness is subtle, and that's what makes it good Mesuk Pak. Now,
I think it is. This one is a little softer as compared to the
Exactly.
what is available.
And that is
that is slightly harder.
and that is why this is a specialty from Kavda.
Kavda.
Because they make it this way.
Great. Fantastic. So let us taste this also. Why don't you taste
Kaju one.
the kaju one also?
Again, the same kind of feel.
I think the base would be the same, but
The flavor difference differs
flavor
because
would
of
be
the
different. Okay.
brilliant. I personally like the Kaju one. It's a very different.
The best
variety
thing
of-
about him is that आपकी जो sweets है उसमें sugar content जो है वो इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है.
नहीं, बहुत
So
कम.
it is really good. I think on the basis of if you talk about health, then there also
Well, yeah,
I think it is.
for you craving a sweet, the kind of sweets you get here, I've got a thing that will obviously make you feel guilty, but then you can maybe eat more and feel less guilty. because-
Yeah, absolutely. Because of the less sugar that is what is used. Great, fantastic. So let us now go on to the third option. So now let us try this kiwi choco dry fruit. It looks pretty yummy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see the
Yeah.
green.
I think it has got a lot of dry fruits inside.
And
this is mawa, right?
No, that's a kiwi.
Kiwi. Oh, okay.
The green kiwi.
That's the kiwi. Okay.
And
topped with
white chocolate.
white chocolate. Okay.
Oh, that already sounds like heaven.
Absolutely.
Oh boy.
There you go. Yummy.
Atta boy.
Let's attack it. This is heaven.
Again, full of nuts. The freshness of the kiwi. And the white chocolate is a brilliant combination there.
Yeah,
I mean,
absolutely. I think this combination is very good.
Yeah.
White chocolate and kiwi
Quite-
and
quite-
nuts.
Very rare. I think it's a signature
Absolutely.
sweet from the shop, definitely.
Pretty yummy. So, man, I guess we really enjoyed. I mean, still there are so many sweets that we need to try, and we'll try them, of course. But just to remind you guys, I think this is a fantastic place.
It's
I
a hidden away gem.
Hidden gem, yeah, hidden gem in the old city.
If you're in the old city for a walk, for touring or whatever, I think this is a place just to get your sweet tooths rolling and fulfill your sweet palate.
Absolutely. So let me tell you the address once again. This is basically just opposite to the old Advanced theatre. Of course, the theatre has closed down, but this is bang opposite where Advance used to be. And the name of the place is Khavda Sweets. Khavda, as you guys know, I mean, it's a place in Kutch, and Imtiaz Bhai has been kind enough to get the taste of Khavda to Ahmedabad. So if you guys are here in the old city, do drop in over here to check out this great sweets. The sweets they have made out of, make out of mawa also, and
Yeah, so they've got
dry fruits.
dry fruits and
Yeah.
nut-based sweets and sweets made out of milk, so milk-based sweets. And also they do a lot of snacking items. So they've got this typical kachi
Pakwan.
kachi pakwan, which is a very good snack to have.
I think you can have it with tea. You know,
Tea,
I mean,
yeah.
normally, you know, you dip it in the tea, and
Yeah,
you can have it.
it's
I'm
like
sure.
a snack. Many people have it for breakfast.
For
and all,
breakfast,
so
yeah.
it's a brilliant thing. It's got a nice crunch. It's light.
Seems to be very,
Yeah,
very crunchy.
it's very. It's kind of a deep fried noodle almost. The texture.
Yeah,
But then it is something like a khari or something. You see?
Yeah, I think
now
I think it must
that is brilliant.
Yeah.
That is some kind of a brilliance in the making. It is not easy. I'm just going to take a thread out of it and try and eat it. I'm sure it'll taste fantastic and it should taste great with your tea.
Let me also taste this. We got a change in our taste now.
That kind of
From
a
the
good savory flavor to finish off that sweet
Absolutely,
sweets that we had. So this is good.
Yeah, I'm sure with tea it will taste great.
Well, this has got a brilliant taste.
So guys, we really enjoyed our time over here, and we really indulged our sweet tooth, and we really indulged the authentic taste of Khavda, and the sweets were too good. What do you think, Oman?
I like I said in the beginning, I came to this place by accident. Love the sweets. Have been coming here consistently for about a year almost, and the consistency of the sweet, all the sweets actually. I've tried almost all of them. It has been the same, and what owner Imtiaz has made me trust in is the ingredients he used is top-notch quality.
Absolutely.
And that is one thing that keeps me coming here.
yeah,
And I'm sure everyone should come and try it. It's a gem of a place.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a hidden place, but it's worth every penny you spend here.
So Oman, they have a live counter out here, and let us try some of their offerings over there.
Yeah. So I think they do some seasonal things. Like in winter, they do this kesar doodh with jalebis, piping hot jalebis made in pure ghee. Kesar doodh. So you can go and try. Let's do that.
I am starting to get hungry all over again. Let's go and try it out.
All right.
Okay, great,
Let's,
fantastic.
let's have our Indian hot chocolate then.
Yep.
Amazing. Absolutely brilliant.
And now, Oman, comes the time when I am going to taste my favorite dessert, the Gajar ka halwa.
Well, it's a winter special.
Absolutely.
Seasonal, amazing, looks good. Not too oily or anything like that.
All-time favorite. Love it. Perfect way to end a meal. Gajar ka halwa. We really enjoyed the time over here. What is your mood?
What an evening, what an evening. Fantastic place to be. Fantastic way to end a winter's night.
Absolutely. So guys, do come over here at Khavda Sweets. Okay, if you're here in the old city, it's a great place to be. And signing off then, have a great night.